Tonight we are going to Live Más Live at the Palladium in Hollywood. Legendary. This is Taco Bell's biggest night of the year. Let's go. This is Ryan. We are walking in to Live Más Live.
Live Más Live.
Hell yeah. So gonna take you guys with us tonight, and hopefully we see a lot of new products, some really good food. There's gonna be some.
We're gonna live Más.
I think we're gonna Live Más Live tonight. So that's the plan. Here we are. We're on the purple carpet here at Live Más Live. Look at these. Look at that. Yeah, this is awesome. Caviar tostada. I want a whole plate of those. Awesome. You're good.
I ate it.
We are inside the Palladium right now. The show doesn't start for like another hour. They had a champagne wall. We just got caviar bites. They've got drinks flowing. It looks like over here we're going to have some live music later behind me. And down there, down the road, is this place called the Vinyl Room. Anderson .Paak will be DJing there after the show tonight. Cannot wait for that. We really hope that Anderson .Paak is wearing the wig. That's the thing. That's I got money on it. DJ Pee-wee in the house. We think we just saw him actually. Well, Ryan did. Yeah. Ryan saw the wig.
I saw that wig, man.
So yeah, let's go over here. And so we're kind of walking towards where we entered. Right here we've got like this meme wall, Taco Bell meme wall, where they have like all these like fun Taco Bell memes and a little bell right there. Photo ops everywhere, every which way. And right behind me is a champagne statue, wall, whatever you want to call it. I'm not entirely sure. Beautiful light. Hey!
We gotta do it. We did it last year.
That's true.
Wait. Around TV?
Yes.
Whoa.
We got snack with Zach. Cheers, guys. Happy Live Más.
Happy Live Más Live.
We're doing it. I can't wait.
Yeah.
That caviar was crazy, right?
Dude, I'm so hyped. You know I love caviar and fast food. It's like the best.
Of course, yeah. Ryan one time said to me, it's like the internet threw up in here. And that is exactly what is happening right now.
Freaking threw up.
There are creators every which way you look. You're like, oh, I know that guy, I know that girl. And I don't even know anybody, but everybody, but we're all here. We're gonna see the show first. We got the show coming up first. Got Doja Cat, Benson Boone, Devontae Adams. And then after the show, that's when we get to try all the new items. They're gonna announce at least 20 new Taco Bell items tonight. So let's go.
Let's go.
We are at our table, table 6. This is the master table. Right here on the stage is gonna be some of the best performances that are gonna happen in Los Angeles. Ariana Madix is here. This is not a drill.
Live Más Live is about you, the Taco Bell fans everywhere.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Anderson .Paak is directing a choir. Oh! Crunch wrap! Crunch wrap! Crunch wrap! Let's go!
And I'll always get a regular and a dessert crunch wrap.
We're doing
Live
both.
Más.
Live Más, baby. We just finished the show. Awesome. So many good items coming. Let's eat.
I'm gonna dip it,
yeah.
dip it.
Dip it.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's so good. Those are actually really spicy.
Yeah, they are.
The Diablo chicken nuggets. This is the Mountain Dew Baja Blast pie.
Yeah, try it. Try it. Can you give me some?
Oh, it's got tropical. It's giving tropical. It's giving vacation. It's giving Hawaii.
Oh my God. It's giving Fiji.
Taco sauce packet that's edible. Oh, wait. I don't even need the taco.
How is it?
That's so good. Oh!
Oh my god. Take a bite.
Come on.
Okay, hold on. Are you ready for the dessert?
No, this is Mexican pizza empanadas, not dessert.
Okay, well, I would call them dessert, but Daniel called them Mexican empanadas.
Mexican pizza.
Mexican pizza empanadas. Yeah, okay.
I feel like it's not focusing. Here you go.
Yeah.
Ready? Yes.
What do you think?
I'm gonna order those twice a week. Minimum. Edible sauce packet? What are we even doing? Oh, come on.
This? This is so good.
He's talking to the camera, but I have the microphone.
Oh, that's hilarious.
So.
Does he realize that?
No. You know, Ryan, I have the microphone. It's on my shirt. It's recording my audio while I was over there. But you're over here like the mini taco salad with flamin' hot Fritos.com.
What is it like?
Oh, that's good. Oh,
Can I have one?
Ready?
That is beautiful.
It's so good. It's so good.
It's like a taco salad, but spicy.
Yeah, that's a good word for that. This crazy cheese fritter, I don't know what they call it.
I'm gonna hold it for Daniel while he eats it.
Okay, thank you.
So what you got?
Look at that thing.
Okay, yeah.
That's
exactly.
a cheese.
That's like a cheese fritter.
Yeah, that's a good word for it. Yeah.
So what he's taking a scoop of is like guacamole, cheese, beans.
Oh my God. This is genius.
Really?
Yeah. Try it.
What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
It tastes like fried cheese with goodness. This actually looked crazy on my weird bald head. International superstar Cam.
Okay. Oh,
Look at that.
Was ham. This is one of my favorite people, bro.
That's a
I
dumb
love
thing
his
to say.
videos.
Thank you.
I wish y'all were here. I know you wish you were here too.
Look, Jazz is coming in too. Oh my God. These are the best food reviewers in the world.
It's the dream team right here.
You guys are the real
It's
deal.
dream team right here.
Yeah.
Man, this
They're
crazy.
real.
I
They
wish y'all
don't-
were here, man.
They're not holograms.
Is this YouTube's?
This is for YouTube. yeah.
YouTube's.
Hey, YouTube.
For the YouTube. Is the one and only, the Taco Dia. My guess is it's a quesadilla. That is a taco. This is for
Can I
you.
have a? Yeah.
That's for you. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God! I didn't know I was gonna get to eat this.
Oh shit. That's a Taco Dia.
Oh my!
That's so good. This is the creme brulee crunch wrap slider bite. Mmm. It's so cinnamony.
Can I have a bite?
Yeah. That's delicious. That's so good.
This might be the best thing that I've had this night.
Honestly, I was a little skeptical, but it tastes like a buñuelo. It's tiny mini little strawberries and cream crunch wrap. I got you one too somewhere. They're right there.
Y'all are watching the best of the best right here. Love it.
Cam, you're
Love
my
you.
hero. Thank you, Cam. I think it'll be bigger when they do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I haven't tasted anything so cinnamony and so fresh.
And the strawberry works so well. By the way,
Delicious.
yeah. By the way, this has been Live Moss Live 2026, the best Live Moss Live yet. The bar has been raised, Taco Bell, so next year we got to go even harder and higher. Maybe us, maybe we host.
Yeah, you know what? Honestly, I think we'd be great hosts.
I think we should host next year, maybe. I mean, Vince did a great job. Nothing, but he's gonna be even bigger next year. He doesn't have time. We have time, kinda. We'll squeeze you in.
Tons of it.
Let's stop before we quit. I don't know what that means, but this was so fun. Taco Bell, you're a hero of mine. Lifelong dream to be here. Honestly, I'm a Taco Bell lover for life.
I'm a Taco Bell lover for life.
For life. This
What's
is
up?
Snackulator.
How's it going,
Best
everybody?
of the best.
That's the first time that's ever happened in my entire life. The only time I get that reaction is when people see me and they run away.
Well, that's not right. Nobody should do that.
It happens a lot.
You're a lovely man.
Yeah.
You're a
Yeah.
lovely man. Thank you for all the work that you do in this world.
Thank you all for your service as well. Live Moss Live, y'all.
Live Moss forever.
Live Moss forever.
Yes. Snack with Zach. Oh my God, you're in the house. We're double YouTubing.
Yeah, boy. Okay.
Yeah.
We're so back. Okay, hang on. This is. I'm in your shoot.
Wait.
I'm in your house.
No. We're on each other's shoot.
Okay.
What was your favorite part tonight?
Like total?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe the game show.
That was fun. That was really fun. So much good food.
Seeing you is always
Seeing you, this guy, we see each other at like every Taco Bell's the only time I see you, basically. And I love it.
Except my birthday party last year.
I went to your birthday. Yeah, that's right.
I didn't do that this year, but maybe next year. You never know.
Yeah, when is it? February? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next February, we'll see him there. All right, thank you. I appreciate you. Love you too.
Love you.
Love you guys.
Love
Love
you
you guys.
Walking around on TV.